Every sound begins with path. My footsteps lead me along forest paths, far from the noise of cities. Here the forest speaks quietly, through the wind, the bird, and the leaves underfoot. I reach the recording location. Before I turn on the recorder, I simply pause to feel the space and its rhythm. Headphones reveal a world that often gets unnoticed. Every whisper of the wind, every bird, every movement in the forest. This is the moment when nature becomes music.